This tutorial guides you through managing product entries within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to add, recognize, and manage products effectively for your loading plans. Click Product Management to open the Product Management area within the Workspace application. Click here to view the list of existing products available in the workspace. Click the product entries showing details such as product name, gross weight, and size to review existing products. Fill in the new product details, including product name, gross weight, and size, to add a high-capacity server rack to the list. Click Recognize and Create to process the entered product information and add it to the product database. Click High-Capacity Server Rack to select the newly created product for further management or review. Click Product Management to manage template products and import them into loading plans as needed within the workspace.